Hey yo everybody, welcome to another video on my channel. Today we'll be creating this pretty set that I found on Pinterest, as you saw in the picture right there. That went by really quickly. Okay, so yeah, it was pretty straightforward. I'm recreating these on press-ons, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If there's anything that needs explaining, I will explain, but I think everything's gonna be straightforward. So I hope you enjoy the video. Peace, love, and happiness. Okay, enjoy the music. Bye.
Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. Family barely had enough.
Okay, here I felt like I need to explain. I'm applying the builder gel directly onto the press-on without applying a base coat because I think builder gel is a strong enough base, and that just defeats the purpose of applying a base gel, and I don't want to waste my base gel. As well, I will not be showing the second coat. This is how the second coat came out, so yeah. Please forgive me, I'm still trying to get used to this talking. Okay, enjoy the video. Pretty straightforward. Okay, bye.
Being different was something that I should have cherished. I regret not listening more to my parents. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. But I'll be fine. I'll always get by. I'll always get by. Oh, I'll be fine. What would you tell yourself if you could turn back? I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. Family barely had enough to get by. I used to think the limit was the sky. My imagination seemed to fade away, and I know I've seen better days. Wanna be innocent again, seen too much, and I've lost a lot of friends. Never liked to watch my tongue, said what I wanted just to anyone. I miss being a kid, I never should have focused on trying to fit in. Being different was something that I should have cherished. I regret not listening more to my parents.
Okay, this is the final result. They came out so cute. Tell me if you guys like them. I really like them, and they look so good, and they look so good on as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply them to my hands. Pretty straightforward. I applied with top coat, not base coat, because these were supposed to be a temporary application. So yeah, if you guys, if that's a blah blah blah. Okay, I can't talk. If that's like a cool tip for us nail techs, like just to apply it for the pictures and whatnot, just a little teeny weeny drop, cure it, and then you can just pop them right off. And remember to put a layer of base coat and top coat on your natural nails so that it can like easily just pop off, instead of doing the base coat. Yeah, instead of doing the oil method, that oil method doesn't work for me. So yeah, I messed up a little, but they still look cute. Look at them. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video.